I don't like fine.
I am
Okay. Good. Give me another expression, please.
I am happy.
Happy.
Yeah.
Okay. Happy. I'm okay with happy.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm happy because you're happy.
Yeah.
Anyway, for today, I have this file for you.
Yes.
This file has a lot of vocabulary,
Yeah.
a lot of idioms
Yeah.
for ESL,
Yes.
and other useful expressions
Yeah.
for you to
Yeah.
learn. Alright? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Another expression, I'm ready. Do you know other expression except I'm ready?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Oh, that is such a boring expression. Notebook.
Yes.
Okay. I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm ready is a very boring expression.
Yeah.
I am ready. This is correct.
Yeah.
Is this a correct sentence?
Yes, correct sentence.
Can you show me? Where is the subject?
I
And,
am is verb.
okay. What about
Let is helping verb.
helping verb? Are you sure?
Adverb.
Are you sure? Just the pattern. Subject plus verb plus.
adjective.
Okay. So I am ready is a good expression,
Yeah.
but there is a much better expression.
Yeah.
You can say, I'm all set. It has the same meaning with I am ready.
Yeah.
Or you can use another expression, I was born ready. Okay?
Okay.
And another would be slang. Bring it on.
Bring it on.
Yeah. The same meaning.
Yes.
My question before this
Yeah.
was, are you ready?
Yeah.
It's such a boring expression.
Yeah.
There is another expression. It's, are you all set? Okay.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to ask you one more time,
Yeah.
and you need to answer me using one of these expressions.
Yeah.
Are you all set?
I am all set.
Okay. All set. There.
Yes.
Better than ready.
Yeah.
Okay. Please use this.
Yeah.
Are you all set?
I am bring it on.
Again.
I am bring it on. Bring it on.
One more time. Are you all set?
Bring it on.
Okay. With feelings, bring it on.
Yeah. Bring it on.
Are you all set?
Bring it on.
Okay. Perfect. Just the way I want it.
Yeah.
Now, here's the file.
Yeah.
Okay. Please read the title of the file.
So cookies.
The cookies. Are you familiar with this vocabulary? Cookies.
Cookies.
Don't think too much. What is a cookie?
Cookie is snack.
Again.
Kind of snack.
Sentence. What is a cookie?
Cookie is kind of snack.
Kind of snack. Is this a correct sentence?
Cookie
Yes or no?
is kind of snack. Yes.
Really?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
how many cookies?
A cookie
Okay. A cookie is
is a kind of snack.
okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Now, for cookie, you have this vocabulary cookie.
Yeah.
It also means girl. Okay?
Yeah.
So when I say one tough cookie,
Yeah.
it means, are you familiar with tough?
Tough. Tough. Tough
What is tough meaning?
is
What is the meaning of tough?
man character.
Man character. So men are what?
Strong.
Okay, strong. So,
Wild. Same wild.
yes. So it means a strong girl. So when I say your mom is one tough cookie, It means she is a strong girl.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know Angelina Jolie?
Yeah, I know.